Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Circular flow models show how money and goods move through our economy. Let's quickly identify who consumes final goods in this simple system right now. First, we need to locate the product market where finished items are sold. This is the specific place where businesses offer their completed goods and services to the general public. Next, we identify the buyers in this specific market. Households are the primary consumers who spend their income to purchase these final products for their own personal use and satisfaction. Therefore, households in the product market are the ones consuming final goods. This makes option A the only correct choice for this economic model. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush by checking signs. Always trust the given steps for success.